Welcome, today in front of me Realme 9 and I'll show you how to create home screen folders on this device. So first you should hold for a while the application and after that drag this app to another one, and now we can see here the new created home screen folder on our device screen. If you want you can add here more applications by the same way. So we can also rename the folder here. Just click once on the name and here enter the new one. For example, the apps, then just click here to OK to the home button, and we can see the changes here that we just successfully renamed our device folder. So if you want to move this folder here on the screen, just hold it and drag. Or if also we can move this folder here between the screen, just hold it and move it, for example, to this folder, home screen, to this screen. Also we can create a new screen. As you can see, that's so simple. And if you want to just remove folder from the home screen, remove the app from the folder, so hold it and drag it to the home screen if you want to stay with this app here on the home screen. But if you want to just remove it from the folder and from the home screen, just hold it and click here to remove icon. But don't worry, you will stay with this app here in apps menu and you will remove it only from your device home screen. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.